How I practice English every day.
I practice English every day because I want to improve my skills. English is very important for me. I want to speak English well in the future. I also want to understand people when they speak English, so I try to practice a little every day. In the morning, I start my day with English. I wake up and read simple English sentences. Sometimes I read a short story or a small paragraph. I try to understand the meaning. When I see new words, I write them in my notebook. I repeat the words many times to remember them. After that, I practice listening. I listen to English audio or short conversations. I listen carefully to the sounds and words. I try to understand what people say. If I do not understand, I listen again and again. This helps me improve my listening skills. I also like watching English videos. I watch videos on my phone or computer. I choose easy and short videos. I watch them slowly and try to understand the meaning. Sometimes I pause the video and repeat the sentences. This helps me learn new words and pronunciation. Music is also part of my learning. I listen to English songs every day. I enjoy music, so learning is fun for me. I try to understand the lyrics. Sometimes I read the lyrics and sing along. This helps me remember words and speak more clearly. During the day, I try to use English as much as I can. I speak simple sentences. I talk to my friends in English. We practice together and help each other. Sometimes we laugh when we make mistakes, but it is okay. We learn from our mistakes. I also practice speaking by myself. I talk to myself in English. I describe what I am doing. For example, I say, I am eating rice, or I am going to school. This helps me think in English and speak more naturally. Reading is very important for me. I read simple books, short stories, and small texts. I try to understand the main idea. When I find new words, I check the meaning in a dictionary. Then I write the words in my notebook. Writing is another way I practice English. I write short sentences every day. Sometimes I write about my daily life. Sometimes I write about my plans or my feelings. Writing helps me remember words and practice grammar. I also use mobile apps to learn English. These apps give me small lessons. I learn vocabulary, grammar, and simple sentences. I practice a little every day. The apps are easy and helpful. I sometimes watch English cartoons or simple shows. They are easy to understand and fun to watch. I learn how people speak in real situations. This helps me improve my listening and speaking. My teacher helps me a lot. My teacher explains lessons clearly. I listen carefully in class. I ask questions when I do not understand. My classmates also help me. We practice speaking and learning together. Sometimes learning English is difficult. I forget words, I make mistakes when I speak or write. I feel shy when I talk in English. But I know this is normal. I do not give up. I keep trying every day. I feel happy when I learn new words. I feel proud when I can speak a full sentence. I feel excited when I understand something in English. These small successes give me motivation. At night, I review what I learned during the day. I read my notebook. I repeat new words. I try to remember what I learned. This helps me improve step by step. On weekends, I practice more. I watch more videos and read more stories. I try to spend more time with English. This helps me learn faster. In the future, I want to speak English fluently. I want to understand people easily. I want to travel and use English in different countries. I want to feel confident when I speak. Learning English takes time, but I am patient. I practice every day. I try my best. I believe I will improve. In conclusion, I practice English every day in many ways. I read, write, listen, and speak. Even when it is difficult, I keep going. Step by step, I become better at English.